Green calcite, heartstone, wealth and abundance, wealth expansion, prosperity and abundance, healing energies. Is there something in your life, in your thoughts, your emotions that are requiring, insisting on healing energies? How about forgiveness? Forgiving yourself for any mistakes you thought you made along the way, forgiving someone else. And there is a master class all about forgiveness, 3 ways or techniques to use crystals for forgiveness. Tangerine, manifestation, solar plexus, and sometimes sacral chakra as well. It is also about managing your energy. People talk about controlling their energy. Well, as soon as I try to control something, things kind of can go kaflooey. So managing it. What are you reacting to? What are you choosing to honor or not honor in yourself or someone else? Clear your solar plexus. It is the primary place of your physical manifestation. So what are you manifesting that you would prefer not to manifest? Do some healing work around that, beautiful soul, and then use the tangerine quartz to help clear out your solar plexus and your sacral chakra, which is your sacral chakra is your chakra for relationships. Focus for the moment, for the next few days, on the relationship with yourself. It is the most important one. If that is blocked, and there are too many defenses, and I'm not talking about being so vulnerable that, stuff happens more or more deeply. What I am talking about, if you have all your filters up, all of your defenses, perhaps your guides are not able to get through to you in ways that they would like to. Shiva Lingham, transformation, transcendence, transition. Choose one thought, one experience, one feeling, one emotion to begin clearing, to begin balancing. So we have green, we have orange, yellow, and then we have grounding. So health, wealth, and prosperity, solar plexus, sacral a little bit, but more solar plexus with this one. Clearing out any blockages in your solar plexus, and then transcending, moving above, rising above where you are. That's where you get the most clarity for what's happening or showing up for you right in this moment. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.